Hi everyone, my name's Kalani and this is an unboxing and demonstration of the Comica XLR Lavalier microphone. Here's the box, some specs on the back, and let's take a look inside. So you get some instructions, looks like a registration card. In the package, you get a very puffy windscreen. Wow, look at that guy. You get the windscreen, that is some windscreen. You get, of course, the microphone with the traditional soft foam screen, and this is the connection unit where you would connect the XLR cord, your standard mic cable. So let's hook it up and see how it sounds. All right, so I'm now wearing the Comica Lavalier microphone, and I'm also wearing another microphone, as you may have noticed, and that's for reference. And that other mic I'll tell you about in a second. So you can get an idea of what this microphone sounds like in the traditional location. Of course, you can place this microphone in other locations. Sometimes people put them under the clothing. You can even hold on to them and speak into them like a mini microphone. But this is the traditional location, so here's what this sounds like. Now we'll A/B this with the other mic that I'm wearing, which is another name brand microphone, a very well-established brand. I'm not going to tell you what brand it is. Suffice to say that it is a higher priced microphone. And it's an older mic. I've had it for a while. The Comica is brand new. But here's the audio from the higher priced name brand Lavalier. And now here is an audio sample from the Comica XLR Lavalier mic. And we're back to the higher priced, more established name brand mic. So a few features that I've noticed about this microphone from a physical perspective is that the spring is very strong. The build seems to be very solid. I like that the cord is flexible, and the cord is actually quite long. So the cord is longer than the other mic I have, which, as I said, is from a name brand, a little more expensive mic. This one, the cord is long enough so I can run it down and away from me before I even need to use the XLR cord. It comes with two screens, the foam screen and the very puffy sort of, quote, dead cat screen. The cable is soft, but it feels substantial. The build quality seems to be very good. I'll include some more close-up shots so you can see more of the physical features. This is an example of the microphone without and with the various windscreens. But I hope this gives you a good idea of the sound quality of the Comica XLR Lavalier microphone. Thanks for watching.